Hello, ladies, my wonderful friends, my busy homemakers. How are you today? I am Deb. You are in the office with Deb, and I am going to help you as a home organizer and a consultant with all my household hacks that I'm the queen of. I've got the easiest way for you to get your bedroom organized. And this is how it's going to happen. First of all, I'm sure you've got a big project. Closets probably are jam-packed. Like I said, you've got clothes here, clothes there. Something need to be organized, maybe by size or summer, winter, whatever it is. You're stuffing stuff under the bed, and you're hitting it with your toes, and you're trying to tuck it in. And you put stuff in your drawers, and the drawers aren't shutting. You got stuff on top of on the dressers. And for those of you in your guest bedrooms, you probably got stuff all over the bed, and you're like, oh, I really don't want to get to it. I don't want to do it. That is where I am here to help you. Now, first of all, one of the easiest ways to get to do that is prepare yourself mentally for the big challenge. Well, granted, you're working, you're busy, the kids are in school. That is why I picked September to be the month where I'm going to be doing it with you, is getting my master bedroom, organized. The kids will be back in school. All of them will be back in school. Hopefully you'll have a little bit more time. And I'm devoting the whole month to getting it organized. Even if it's only 5 minutes a day, I am going to make sure I make the time. I'm psyching myself up now, doing what I have to do to get it done. Now, come September 5th, which is Labor Day, I'm starting a special Facebook group for those of you that want to get your bedrooms organized. 30-day program. We're gonna do it together. And there's gonna be weekly assignments on Monday. Get you started, get you going. Trainings, a Q&A, and the best of all, there's an awesome bonus for you guys. And I'll tell you about that at the end, because I know you're not gonna want to miss. But we're gonna get that bedroom turned into a calming, peaceful, serene, where you can easily sleep better, because it's done. It's done for the holidays. It's done for people coming over for Thanksgiving and Christmas already. Yes, I'm an early starter. That's me. I want to get that bedroom organized and get it done. I'm tired of playing with that closet. I got to get in that closet and move some things around, take some things out, declutter, organize. I got to get it done. Do I want to do it? Not really. Do I have the time? Not really. But I'm going to do it. Now, a lot of you have told me I can't even get motivated to do that. That is why we have this special group. We could do it together. Whoever wants to do it, we'll do it together. I'll be there to encourage you, motivate you, inspire you, keep you going. You're going to have my one-on-one accountability with that. I'm going to be answering your questions. I'm going to hold your hand along the way. I'm going to support you. You're going to have that accountability. You're going to have that guidance. Because it's always better when you can do it in a group together. You support each other. You cheer each other on. And the main thing he said, this is what I am going to do for you, for those of you who want to do it. Yes, and I'm even going to talk mindset. We're going to talk mindset. We're going to wrap our head around this, and we are going to get it done. Because I know in the end, hi Tina, you're going to feel so proud of yourself, so accomplished, so successful. And you're going to want to show that room off. You're going to want to be in there, whether it's reading a good book or just sitting in bed like 5 minutes before you go to bed and just closing your eyes and thinking about the day and saying, I am so happy I transformed my bedroom. It's done. I have less clutter. It's organized. I know where everything is. Even my husband's happy that it's done. The kids even want to be in here with me. And you're just going to sit there in contentment. Because I know the biggest thing that holds you guys back is that self-motivation. And it's hard to get going. And hard, very hard, especially when you know you got work to do or you don't feel good. There's days you don't feel like doing anything, or you're so exhausted from the day before because you had to clean the kitchen and chase around the kids. I get it. That is why this group is so important. And the bonus I'm talking about is for those of you that are interested, DM me and let me know. Because come August 25th, Friday, 11:59 p.m. CST time, that bonus is gone. Now that bonus is an extra 2 weeks in the group. So you not only you have 30 days to get the project done, you have an extra 2 weeks. You've got 6 weeks to get it done. With my full guidance, my support, me constantly telling you, hey, I'm here for you. What's the question? Let's get it done. I've got a bunch of ideas how to make containers, bins, baskets out on your own. In the meantime, until you can find that perfect basket to hold your scarves or whatever you want to put in it, your socks. I have got so many ideas on that. So that is where you're going to get support from me. Now, one-on-one consulting, my one-on-one consulting for 45 minutes is over $100. This is the first time I'm actually doing a group for you guys. I did the teen group. Now this is where you guys are going to come in. And this group is going to be ongoing. So you can join at any time. And come 6 weeks later, we may be moving on to a different room and getting that done for those that you want to get another room done. Or we may go back for those that want to do the bedroom. I want to keep this group going for you guys because so many of you told me, I said, I really need the help. I need the encouragement from you, the group. It feels so much better when I've got somebody doing it with me because I get so discouraged doing it for you. If you have any questions, comments, I'd love to hear them. Please put them down in the comments or DM me. Let me know what you think. If you're not sure of what's included in this group program, ask me. I'll give you an honest answer. You know me. If I don't like a product, I'll let you know. Boy, will I let you know. No, I'm just kidding, but I do let you know. I don't like it. I did that recently. So, I don't want to take up too much more of your time. Thank you so much for watching this. Let me know if you're interested. If you want that extra 2-week bonus with the one-on-one support and guidance and accountability from me that only my one-on-one clients usually get. You guys are going to be getting it in the group. In the separate group. This is not going in my free group. This is a separate new private group just for this whole group. And this group is going to be ongoing. Yes, you can join, but you're not going to be able to join probably till after the 6 weeks are gone. Because once we get started, I don't want too many people falling behind. unless you're good at playing catch up. And my husband says, and don't forget the mustard all the time. I was like, okay, whatever. You're funny, honey. Whatever. That's my joke for the day. Thank you so much, ladies. Let me know questions, comments. I am here for you. Let's get it done before the holidays come up, because then we got to start dealing with more cleaning, more organizing, Christmas shopping, meal planning, and everything else. See you later. Bye, ladies.